This is how to register for Alex Hormozi's new book launch. Just below this video in the description at the very top, you're going to see a link that takes you to this page right here. This is going to be the sign up page. It starts on August 16th at 9 a.m. PT, 12 p.m. ET, 17 days out at the time of making this video. And if you go down, all you're going to need to do is click on this button right here, give your information. That's going to officially sign you up so you'll get the email invite. Once you do that, next you're going to go to this page. Now, you can obviously click no thanks. You don't have to pay for anything at all. The event is 100% for free, and it's going to be an incredible event. If you do decide to skip the VIP sales, it'll take you to this page. Alex will walk you through it. You can add it to your calendar, all of that. If you are interested in pre-ordering the book, there are some crazy bonuses that come. So if you're planning on ordering the book anyways, you might as well pre-order it because all these bonuses come with it that you won't get on the day of. I would also watch this video because it's really good. But you can win a day in Vegas. You get a guaranteed priority copy, which means it gets shipped out before everyone who orders on the day of. There's a private VIP live stream with 5 headliners that he hasn't announced. There's a free ticket to a separate post-launch virtual event, and you get a high-res recording. Again, if you're going to buy the book, you might as well get all these awesome bonuses too. So go down just below this video, sign up, and I will see you there August 16th.